What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in your car key fob. This one here is for the Mazda 3. Your key fob design will differ depending on the different types of cars, but it's all pretty much the same idea. That idea is to open this key fob. So I'm going to use a tiny flathead screwdriver and gently pry the two pieces of the key fob shell apart. Alright, so I have it pried apart to where I could take it off by hand, and that will expose the 3-volt battery. Now on mine I have to push it down to get the battery out. And now we're ready for a new battery. You can buy these 3-volt batteries pretty much at any store. I got this pack off of Amazon. It was 10 lithium 3-volt batteries for about $6. I'll put the link in the description. So we take the new battery out, slide it up, push it in, then you put the cover back on it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.